Managing your streaming budget shouldn't be a headache. With 2026 price adjustments, staying on top of your billing is more important than ever. Today, I'll show you the fastest way to handle your payments and update your account info. First, let's talk about the 2026 pricing. The standard base plan is now $82.99 per month. This is a recurring subscription, so you'll be automatically charged on the same date each billing cycle. Your total may vary if you have added genre-specific bundles like the sports or entertainment plans. To get started, open your web browser on a computer and go to the official service website. Make sure you are signed into the Google account associated with your subscription. Look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and click it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings to open your account dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, you will see several options. Click on Billing to see your payment details. In the Billing section, you'll see your current payment method and your next billing date. To change your card, click the Update button next to your primary payment method. You can add a new credit or debit card or even link a PayPal account for convenience. Once you enter the new details, make sure to save the changes to avoid any service gaps. The system will verify the new card immediately and you'll see a confirmation message on screen. Here is a pro tip for 2026. Always set up a backup payment method. In that same billing menu, look for the Manage option and select Add Backup. Choose a secondary card that can be charged if your primary method ever fails or expires. This ensures your live sports and recordings are never interrupted by a declined charge. Now, what if you don't see these options? You might be billed through a third party. If you subscribe via a mobile carrier or internet provider, billing is handled on their end. In this case, you must log into your carrier's app or website to update your payment info. You can check your billing status on the mobile app as well under your account settings. While you're in the billing menu, you can also view your entire payment history. This is great for tracking your monthly expenses and checking for any applied credits. If a payment fails, double-check your billing address and the security code on your card. Sometimes clearing your browser cache can also resolve unexpected errors during the checkout process. So remember, check your settings, keep a backup card on file, and monitor your 2026 renewal date. Managing your account only takes a few minutes, but saves you from losing access to your shows. I hope this guide makes your 2026 streaming experience smooth and worry-free. Subscribe to TechnoTutor TV for more streaming tips and tech guides. See you in the next one.